This is one disturbed vertical surface in a moist canopied valley bottom kind of place, because there's a river just about 150 meters from here. So here what happened, there was a old road cutting was there. Then for the cement road and all road widening, a little bit more also they've done. And then that exposed part is collapsing year by year, little by little. And that will happen until the whole wall is covered by some species or other. Like that orange thing what you see there, that is an exposed place where some mud has fallen in the last monsoon. So in this kind of place, the local biodiversity provides certain species suitable to colonize this kind of place. And one or two I will show now, which I particularly liked. One is this fern. It is it's unlike the other ferns, because one is it's a spreading thing, spreading plant, and then wherever this nodes touch the earth, there the new shoots will emerge, and it will slowly occupy the vertical area of the wall. Like here, if you see, the gradient is right angle almost from the ground. So like that. So it's a vertical surface, and here this main root is here in this part. So that the first root, that first it started there, and then as it spread, it has rooted here. For example, there that is one rooting has happened. Then second root is here. That part, it has touched the ground there, and there itself it has rooted, and then slowly it is spreading sideways. So by next year, here first rooting has happened. It touched the wall here, one root there. So wherever it touches the wall, it will go on producing new roots. So this is one pioneer species fern of this region that normally comes and occupies this kind of location, and it's very attractive also. However, I failed to grow it, and then the shape also you can see, kind of angular kind of shape, and from underneath also it looks very aesthetically pleasing. So year by year it will spread, and if it successfully colonizes this place, underneath this one, other ferns are also there. Then mosses will come. So slowly that erosion will stop, and this wall will stop collapsing. So that is one fern, and quite a few are there here. For example, there's one here, and then one more here. That one. So like that, in this wall some 20 to 30 plants have occurred along this wall. That is one species. Then the other species that does well and comes on its own in this kind of location is this one. This also has very superficial roots. On the surface itself, the root will be there, and it spreads sideways from one clump. New ones will come up and they spread like that. Now this has started here and it's going up. Slowly it will occupy the entire wall, including the vertical surface, in few years. So that's the second species of fern. And that first one, the name and all I've forgotten. I had to look up in my records. This one, some 200 plants are there on this particular wall, and also some can scora is there. So these are all the typical moist location plants. Hardly any sunlight is falling here. Afternoon little bit, that's all. And this wall is dotted with that species. There again. So 2 species. The third species of fern is this one. So 3-4 species of ferns are there that can do very well in this really lousy soil. There's no nutrition at all. There's no topsoil. There's nothing. But they like it, this kind of. So there's one more there, and big chunks of earth are falling like this. And even here, what is Selaginella? So this is one of the pioneer species, and it's an interesting fern also.